Hey guys, today I'm going to show you in a quick video how to install a Debian virtual machine on your Proxmox server. First of all, you need to go to the Debian website and download the operating system. Go to Other Downloads and choose the NetInst installation when you have internet access and the DVD installation when you do not have internet access from your Proxmox server. I already downloaded it and uploaded it into my storage of my Proxmox server. Here you can see I have the net installation version and the DVD version. The DVD version is much larger with 4 gigabytes. Now we will start with the creation of the VM. First click on Create VM, select a node, select a VM ID and a name. My name will be Debian for Debian server. Click Next. OS will be the Debian DVD in my case. Type is Linux and the newest kernel. Go Next. System will be default. For SCSI controller, I'm using virutal SCSI because it works best with Linux. For disk, I'm choosing a 60 gigabyte hard drive with SCSI connection. For CPU, I will choose 4 cores. And for memory, 12 gigabytes will be 12,288. Network, I'll leave it like that because I do not have any VLANs. And my bridge will be VMBR2, I think. Now confirm. Let me check my network. VMBR2. Now we go to console and boot up the VM. I will select the installer without graphical. English. I am in Europe and locals is, you can leave it like that. Key map is German. Now it's loading the additional components. Now it's trying to get internet access. I think it can reach the DHCP server from me, and it got IP successfully. Hostname is Debian, short DEP. Continue. Domain name I do not have. Root password. Continue. Full name for the new user. For partition disk, we will use the entire disk because it's a freshly created virtual disk. This is the only disk we have. We can do all files in one partition and finish partitioning and write changes. Now we need to switch to yes. and it will install the operating system. No, we have no extra installation media. Use network mirror, no. Now we'll do the updates. No, I do not want. And now you can choose the desktop environment. In my case, I do not want a desktop environment because it's only a server in my case. So I deselect everything. Now we continue. Yes, we want the bootloader on the normal hard drive. And this should be it. Debian should be installed now. That's it, guys. Debian is now booted. I can log in. And that's it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you liked it. Subscribe for more content like this. And leave a comment what I've could done better. See you next time.